everyone, today we're going to be covering how to make planner stickers using Microsoft Word with a focus on checklists. This is part 2 of a 2-part series. If you haven't seen part 1 yet, I'm going to leave the link below so you can watch that, get caught up, and then come back to this video. I'm also giving away a free printable that you can access in the description down below, as well as links to free graphics and fonts that you can use to make your own planner stickers. I'm going to start by making a checklist banner sticker. To make this, go to Insert, Pictures, This Device, and insert the flower pattern that you downloaded during part 1 of the series. If you need to access that video again, the link is in the description below. So after I set the box to in front of text, I'm going to crop it to 2.05 inches by 0.3 inches, but the width and length of your checklist banner can be changed based on whatever your personal preference is. Then I'm going to copy and paste the checkboxes that we made in part 1, which were 0.17 inches by 0.16 inches. And if you want to change the color at this point, you can select the checkboxes and change the border color. I'm going to go with this lighter blue color. To turn it into a banner shape, go to Insert, Shape, and select a triangle. And then change the width of the triangle to 0.3 inches. The shape fill to white and the border to white. And you may also want to make sure that your checkboxes are centered, so go to Picture Format, Align, Align Center before you group your triangle checkboxes in banner. Finally, if you would like, you can add a typed up to-do list to the right of this and make sure that it's spaced out so that it lines up with your checklist banner boxes. Before we move on, I want to show you an idea for making your checklist stickers look a little different using some additional free graphics. So if you go to thehungryjpeg.com, you can access a bunch of freebies by going up here to where it says freebies. They have forever freebies, weekly freebies, and a free font bundle. So the weekly freebie disappears every Wednesday and gets replaced with a new one. Once it's expired, you can't get it for free anymore. And then there's also a free font bundle. Right now they have 22 free fonts that they're giving away. And then they also have forever freebies that never disappear. So you can access tons of free graphics, icons, backgrounds, and fonts in this section. And every once in a while there will be these new forever freebies that will show up and be added to this section. A potential drawback of this website is that you have to sign up for an account in order to download any freebies, so that could be an issue if you don't want to give away your email address, so just keep that in mind. Some quick examples of some graphics that you could use in your planner. I thought that these unicorn graphics were pretty cute, and you could use these elements to create little stickers or icons for your planner. Another example are these geraniums. In order to make the stickers that we're going to use for this next example, you'll need to click on the link in the description called Anemone Flower Graphics, or you can access it through that forever freebie section on thehungryjpeg.com. The first idea for using this is to just use isolated graphics to decorate your planner. So go ahead and download those graphics and insert them into your Microsoft Word document. I'm just going to open up a new one, and I'm going to right click on these flowers, click on wrap text, and set it to in front of text to make it easier to move these flowers around on the page. Another way to make your graphics look different is by going to shape format and then clicking on the rotate objects button, which is the triangle with the arrow symbol. And this will allow you to flip your graphics horizontally so that they can look a little bit different and will give a little variety to your stickers. And then I just printed these flowers out onto some clear sticker paper, cut them out, and adhered them. If you want to overlap the graphic on top of another shape, select the graphic, then under Picture Format, go to Color, Set Transparent Color, and then click on the white background of your graphic to make it transparent. This is if you are not working with a PNG. So I'm gonna make a checklist for my monthly section in my planner in this example by inserting the confetti pattern that you downloaded in part 1 of the series. And I'm gonna set the height to 2.5 inches and crop the width to 1.5 inches. To save time, you can copy and paste the white box that you made in part 1 and then center it by going to Align Center and Align Middle. And I'm gonna copy and paste the text boxes that I already made so I can save some time. If you want to increase the spacing of your words in between letters, you can right click on the text while your word is selected and then go to Font, Advanced, and then change the spacing to Expanded and increase it, in this case, to 2.9 points. You can add your flower or any other elements you'd like. If you'd like to get access specifically to the watercolor scribbles that I'm using in this tutorial, click on the link in the description called Watercolor Scribble Elements, which also comes with these chocolate cake drawings. And the scribbles are going to be located in the Elements folder after you download the set. After that, I'm going to add some checkboxes that are 0.11 inches by 0.11 inches and text that is sized to 5 points. And in this case, the font is going to be set to Expanded 2.5 points. Then I'm going to space out the text to line it up with the checkboxes. And don't forget to group everything together once you're done. Now we're going to cover how to make a full box background pattern. So start by inserting a rectangle that is 2.5 inches by 1.5 inches. For this example, I'm using the Geranium freebies, which you can find the link to in the description below. And these already come as PNGs, so you don't have to use the transparent color technique this time. They already have a transparent background. So just insert the graphics and change the wrap text setting to in front of text. And to make them look a little different, you can flip them horizontally like we did with the anemone flowers. Once you are happy with your arrangement, go ahead and crop the graphics that extend beyond the box so that they line up with the edge of your box. And once you are done, group your graphics together with your box. I also want to give you the measurements that I used to make the sidebar checklist sticker. So insert that flower pattern again, but make it 3.75 inches by 1.5 inches this time. And the white rectangle that we are inserting this time is going to be 3.45 inches by 1.27 inches. Just like before, go ahead and align it in the center and the middle. Copy and paste your text boxes and copy and paste your check boxes. This time, to make the spacing a little bit easier, I'm going to use separate text boxes for each line. And this allows me to easily move 2 lines of text close together. So for example, it says clean appliance in one text box and then surfaces in a second text box. So I can move that surfaces text box really close to the other one. And I don't have to worry about running out of space on the sticker. Once everything is placed where you want it, you may want to group it together again. And then you're all set to print out your stickers. If you want to see another video showing how to make Microsoft Word planner stickers, check out this video here, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye!